Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I have another awesome product from you from Wild Badger Power. This is the totally cordless 4-in-1 toolkit that's going to allow you to do all of your lawn maintenance. This is great for professionals and great just if you are like me and you have a large yard with a lot of shrubs, hedges, weed eating, edging, and grass to trim. So let's get started. This is a cordless model, of course, and it is 40 volts of power. You are going to actually get 2 batteries. They are included with the kit and they charge up quickly. They last for a long time. Each battery is 20 volts, and this allows you to not have to use any gasoline and just recharge your batteries as you go, which is really, really super nice. No pull, string cord, no worrying about, if you're machine has been sitting for a while. Sometimes those can be more difficult to start. Maybe you run out of gasoline. That's a pain. You don't have to worry about that with this because it's all battery powered. So I want to tell you a little bit about it. It fits great in your hands. It's well balanced. It has minimum vibration, so everything is super, super comfortable and easy to use. This is something that you can use for a long time because, again, it's well balanced. It feels good in your hands. You have a nice grip right here, and it's something that you can use for a long time without it being too heavy and just difficult to use. You've got your battery packs back here. They don't add a ton of bulk and they don't add a ton of weight, so I really enjoy that. If you are fatiguing a little bit, it does come with a harness, a strap as well, that helps you distribute the weight a little bit better and easier while you are using this. And again, as far as safety goes, this does have a pull trigger right here and also a safety switch that you need to engage both at the same time in order to start this up, which is nice because it just gives you an extra level of security to make sure you're not starting up your saw when you don't mean to, which is really nice. This is super easy to assemble, very easy to set up. It comes with, again, 4 different attachments that work in several different ways, and I cannot wait to show you all about that. But just know that this is something that pretty much out of the box is almost all assembled, and everything is a universal mount, so really easy to pull in and out and switch these different heads off. So we'll start with most obvious right here. You do have your string trimmer, your weed whacker. This is great for those tall grass, anything that you would do for your normal weed eating. And you can turn this around, of course, and use it as an edger to get, those really nice lines and clean up around your sidewalks and the edge of your grass. With this safety head right here to make sure it's not kicking back up against you, you also have this tool. This is a for your brush, a little bit more intense than just weed eating those tall grass, but something that's a little bit thicker, a little bit more intense, you can use this tool with. From there, I'll show you guys that we have a couple of more tools. First, I want to show you this one right here. This is your hedge trimmer. It does come with these nice safety little slots right here to make sure no one is cutting anything because these are quite sharp. But this is great. It attaches right on this standard mount. Again, it's a universal mount for everything. This goes on and you're able to trim tops of trees, your hedges, keep everything nice and level. So it's super, super easy to get a beautiful hedge trim, kind of those square hedges that look very, very picturesque. It's easy to do with this. And what I like about this also is that you can turn this pretty much all the way around, all the way up and down to get different angles. You can go up and down. You can go all the way to 90 degrees down here to get perpendicularly, depending on your job. It's highly adjustable, and it means that pretty much no matter what your job is, no matter what kind of shrubs, what kind of flowers, what kind of trees or brush that you have to trim, you're going to be able to do it with this tool. Now, last but not least, I cannot wait to show you my favorite one and the one that I was most impressed with, and that is this guy right here. This is like a little mini chainsaw, mini saw, and it's absolutely incredible. It is super sharp and it's super tough. You put, again, your pull on just like with everything else, so it's really great that you have a lot of reach, not only for doing trees, but also if you have a thick brush and you want to get something far away, you have plenty of pull to get there without having to, you know, scruff up your ankles or get all the way into the woods. We experienced this when we cut down parts of our banana tree and also parts of our rubber tree that was overgrown, and it was pretty incredible. I'm going to show you guys this all on screen, of course, but these are thick trees that really in one slice we were able to completely fell. Pretty incredible. Other tools would have taken a lot longer. I couldn't even imagine doing this manually. You would be like hacking, sawing, axing at these trees all day long. But instead, the Badger did this in seconds. It was absolutely incredible. You don't even have to go back for, you know, a second swipe. You just cut and it's going through entire trees. Really, really incredible. Again, 40 volts of power, 2 different 20-volt batteries. They charge up quickly, they last for a long time, and this entire device right here is well balanced. It's lightweight. It's something that absolutely anyone can use, and you can use for a long period of time with 4 different attachments. And when you consider that you can use those attachments in multiple different ways and orientations, the options are pretty much unlimited for all of the yard work, trimming, hedging, weed eating, absolutely everything that you can do with this device. Again, this is great for just individual people trying to keep their yards clean, but also great for commercial uses or someone that maybe is trying to get a summer job or expand their lawn care business. This is going to be a great device for you. I love this one again because it is battery operated. I don't have to mess around with the gasoline. I don't have to mess around with a pull start. It is just ready to go right there for me. And of course, I do have harness and safety mechanisms to make sure I don't hurt myself. Universal mount, switch it up, use a little bit of everything. This one's absolutely fantastic, you guys, and I'm gonna leave some special things for you in the description below, some cool codes and great offers, some specials that Wild Badger has going on right now, so make sure you do not miss those. Go ahead, you guys. I'm gonna finish up out here. You guys get to shopping.